In goes Edwin. Easy does it, camper. There you go, guy. I gotcha. Okay. Here we go. Good boy. Good boy. You got it. There you go. Oh, you're such a good boy. Okay, we're gonna back you up. I know. Whee! Good job, Edwin. Okay, come to me. Good boy. Look at you go. Look at you go. No, not yet. We're not ready to get out yet, honey. No. You're fine, honey. You're fine. You're doing great, Edwin. Okay, come on. Come on this way. Good boy. Get that leg out there. Come on, get that right leg out there, little guy. You got it. Yay, Edwin. Let's back up. You're doing great, honey. Oh, what? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Get that leg out there. Get that leg out there. You're doing it. You're doing it. Yeah, get that leg out there. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great. Okay, ready? Let's go. Go, Mango. Go, Mango. Yeah. Should we put bubbles in here? What if they were beef flavored? You're doing great, hon. You're doing great. No, I gotcha. Good job, Edwin. Get those legs out there. Yeah, that's just kind of flopping, but still. You're doing great.